This computer animation shows what NASA expects to happen when the spacecraft carrying the Curiosity rover completes its 9-month journey to Mars. A team of U.S. Space Agency scientists selected the landing site, the foot of a mountain within a deep, roughly 150-kilometer-wide depression called Gale Crater. After the parachute deploys, engines will start for a powered descent. Curiosity will be lowered on cables, and the rocket pack will blast off to an area where it will not affect the rover's chemical analysis equipment. Curiosity is the size of a car and has 17 cameras. Deputy Project Scientist Ashwin Vasavada.
This is a Mars scientist's dream machine. We're so excited to have this rover go into Mars this year. It's going to be the virtual presence for over 200 scientists around the world to explore Mars and Gale Crater that we'll talk about. This rover is not only the most technically capable rover ever sent to another planet, but it's actually the most capable scientific explorer we've ever sent out.
That is because Curiosity is a mobile laboratory. It is much larger than previous rovers, and it can travel up to about 200 meters per day over the Martian landscape. Instead of the solar panels that powered its smaller predecessors, a plutonium-fueled nuclear reactor on board will generate plenty of constant power for Curiosity's energy-demanding mission. The remote-controlled vehicle even has a laser that can survey the chemical composition of rocks.
What really dominates the design of this rover is the fact that it has this ability to sample rocks and soils on Mars for the first time. And so it has a big 6-foot robotic arm, and the rover is partly that big because it holds 2 very capable scientific laboratories inside the rover.
Vasavada says one instrument measures the minerals in sampled rocks and soil, while another looks at chemical elements and any organic material that might be present. The goal is to learn if Mars, and Gale Crater in particular, ever had environmental conditions that could have supported microbial life.
This mission is really about looking for those habitable environments and not detecting life itself.
Scientists say the mountain located within Gale Crater will yield plenty of information about the planet's evolution, because each layer of rock contains clues. Gale Crater is a very promising site for scientists searching for habitable environments, says Vasavada.
It has some geologic evidence that water was around. We hope, in fact, to search for organics with this mission. That's another requirement for life as we know it.
Curiosity's nuclear reactor should allow it to operate on the surface of Mars for about 2 Earth years, the equivalent of 1 Martian year. Suzanne Presto, VOA News.